Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we discuss about what is function and function prototype in C++. Before moving to the video, if you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel and also save the playlist for your future reference. Without wasting your time, let's start the video. First of all, we discuss about what is function in C++. A function is a block of code which only runs when it is called. You can pass data known as parameters into a function. Functions are used to perform certain action and they are important for reusing code. Define the code once and use it many times. Basically, function is a block of code which only runs when you declare function. You can pass data and it is known as parameters into a function. Function are used to perform certain action and they are important for reusing of code. You have to declare function one time and you can use it many times. Now discuss about the syntax of function in C++. Open Visual Studio Code. If you have not watched the video getting started C++ installing VS Code and G++, do watch the video because if you will not watch the video, you won't be able to run C++ program. Create a new file, tut17.cpp. Type header file has include iostream using namespace std int main function and return 0. Now we discuss about the syntax of function in C++. You have to type int outside the main function and give the name of function. I will give sum and bracket, and inside the bracket I will type int a comma int b and curly braces, and inside the curly braces I will type int c is equals to a plus b and semicolon return C semicolon. This is the syntax of function. Basically, when we declare a function, we have to type the data type and the name of variable, and inside the bracket you have to declare two variables like int a and int b. You can declare any variables as you want, and inside the curly braces you have to type int c is equals to a plus b and return c. Basically, this function is used to print the sum of two number. First of all, we have to declare two variable inside the main function. I will give int num1 and num2. Cout, enter the value of num1 semicolon. Control D to replicate the line and C in num1 semicolon. Copy this and paste here. Type C in num2. After that, cout this sum is sum bracket num1 comma num2 semicolon. Okay, now run the program. Inside the terminal you have to enter the value of num1. I will type 10 and the value of num2 is 20. Then you can see that this sum is 30. This is the function in C++. I know that you don't understand this line. Basically, this line is used to print the sum of num1 and num2. Okay, so we have declared a function outside the main function, and inside the main function we use sum as a variable, and inside the bracket of sum we declare the variable num1 and num2. So this is the syntax of function in C++. Now we discuss about the function prototype in C++. What is function prototype in C++? Function prototype is a declaration in C++ of a function. This enables the compiler to perform more robust type of checking. Basically, it means that function prototype is a declaration in C++ program. It enables the compiler to perform more stabilized checking. Now we discuss about the syntax of function prototype in C++. Comment out these codes, and if we type this code at the bottom of main function and use it inside the main function. I am using this program, you can use another program. Okay, now run the program. Then you can see that we got an error. The error is sum was not declared in the scope. It means that we have not declared sum in our code, but we declare at the bottom of the code. So basically we have to declare sum at the top of the program. Paste here and semicolon, and after that run the program. Then you can see that our code is running. Enter the value of n, 10, value of num2 is 20, then you can see that sum is 30. So this is the example of function prototype. Basically function prototype allow us to declare the function at the top of program, and whatever function will return we have to type at the bottom of the program. So it helps the compiler to perform more stabilized checking. In this video we discuss about what is function and function prototype in C++. I will give the link of this source code in the description box. If you have any doubt, do comment on my videos, and you can also join my Telegram coding discussion channel, in which you can ask your doubt from the members, and you can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter. All the link is given in the description box. Still you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel and also save the playlist for a future reference. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I will see you next time.